Unity. There is no way we can be one without a science. There is no way we can be one without mathematics, whether it is spiritual or physical. There is no way we can be one without trust. And there is no way we can be one without the thorough knowledge and understanding of God's word. That's the 14th laws of truth. He said, don't speak any truth you don't have enough time to explain. And ignorance is an unexplained truth. And religion and religious leaders hide in an unexplained truth. For any day truth is explained, religion goes away, Satan goes away, imperfection goes away, failure goes away, because there is no charm as powerful as getting things right. If you want to be more powerful than a witch doctor, learn how to start getting things right. Because it's people that have failed that goes to a witch doctor. You understand? Do you understand? There is no charm as powerful as getting things right. So if you want to be more powerful than witch doctor, start getting things right. They will not see you, because it is in your imperfection that leads you to there is a problem you think you cannot solve. Then you have to look for solution on the table of the witch doctor. So when you know truths, you don't need a pastor, because you are one. That's the point there. Glory be to God. Now I'm putting it to you this way. Of what use is it for you to give respect to somebody because he has what he does not want to give you? He has something he does not want you to have. Of what use is it? But that is what they do. Why you respect your man of God and respect your pastor and respect your spiritual leader is because he has something he does not want you to have, and he has something he does not want to give you. So if you are reasonable, you should respect someone, not because he has something he does not want you to have, but because he has something he is willing to give you, so that you become the same with him. Did you get it? Of what use is it that you are respecting and worshiping someone who has traveled through a difficult road on his own behalf, not on your behalf? And after traveling those through difficult road, he will now come and tell you, I traveled a very difficult road and I have made it smooth, but I don't want you to come there. Of what use is it for you to give the person what? Respect and follow the person? It's useless, but that is what religion kept people to do. Somebody have gone. A person to whom you should give respect to is a person who has made a difficult road smooth.